Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on object-oriented programming. So what we're basically going to be doing here is creating an employee object and also calculating their salary, net salary, which is gross salary minus the tax. So this is the task that is at hand. So already I had created the package, and there is the class. So we are going to start by putting in the necessary attributes, which is the first one. We're going to create a name attribute for our object, and then string department, because our employee needs a department, and then we're gonna have int employee ID because our employee needs an ID, double salary, then double text. I'm assuming you already have a background, a general background in Java, but you're just trying to enhance your understanding of Java object-oriented programming. And then here it's double text. And then lastly, we're gonna have string status to know the marital status of our employee. And then we are done here, and then the next thing is to create a constructor. So we all know what a constructor is, that it is used when you're creating a new object. You invoke the constructor, which is basically or generally used to create some memory space within the for the object that we are creating. So we're gonna say public OOP, and then we're going to have the parameters, or we're gonna have what we require for our object to be containing. So we want our object to when we invoke it initially, we want our object to have the string name, so which is the string, and then we want department. We also want ID. Then lastly, we want the status, which is string status. Alright, so now we all know obviously when you create a constructor, you also need to invoke to add in the this keyword, which actually helps to particularize the attributes for the invoked object. So we're gonna have this department equals to department, and then this dot name equals to name. This dot status equals to status, and then lastly this dot employee ID equals to employee ID. I'm not gonna add all the attributes within this. So after creating the item, the constructor, we're gonna have a method that is going to calculate the net salary of our object or employee. So it's public double, because we want to return, these are figures, this is a salary and a tax, which are more monetary and require us to add in the double data type. So we're gonna create public double, then net salary, that is the name of our method, and we're going to add in two parameters. which is double salary, which are going to be used to calculate the net salary, and then double tax. Okay, and so we're basically going to return here. What we're going to calculate is the salary minus, so we want to create to calculate the tax in terms of the salary, because we get the tax as a percentage, but now we want to know how much of a percentage is it on the salary. So we're going to say salary, okay, multiplied by tax divided by 100. Okay, so now we have our tax. We are done here, and then we move on to the most important part of the program, which is the main, which actually runs the program. So I'm using IntelliJ, so by just writing main, it puts in this suggestion, enter, and you're already in the main. So here we are now we are now creating our object. So we start by putting in the class OOP, the name of our object employee1, the equal sign, and then we put in the new keyword, and then OOP. Now we are adding the constructor. So our constructor already has a string name, string department. We need to put in the values for those parameters. So the name is Tim for our employee, and then the next thing is department, which is tech. The next thing is ID, which is 10001. Then the last thing is status, which is Tim is married. Okay, so we are done here. So now sys out, let's see our object, which is employee1. We're gonna run the program. It's building. There we go. Okay, so this is our object. So now we want to see the name of our employee, employee1.name. There it is. Come. Tim. All right. So now, what we said when we studied the program was that we wanted to calculate the net salary of Tim, or employee1. So now we want to print the net salary. So we're gonna say employee1.name, which is Tim. So concatenate ends. Basically going to say Tim earns so much money. Okay, so now we're gonna say employee1. Now we're using the method that we created up there, which is net salary. So we know we want to add in the salary of Tim, which is 1,000, and the tax is 0.2 or 0.9. Yeah, let's just say 0.95 maybe. And so let's run our program. So I'm gonna have to comment out this part or delete it. It's no longer necessary. Yes, and then we are going to run our program and see the answer. Okay, cents, $990 or rands or pounds, yeah, yuan, whatever you name it, 0.5. From the 1000 we have subtracted the taxi. So this is the basic tutorial that we had. These tutorials are meant for beginners in Java who want to have more understanding in object-oriented programming. So thank you very much, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.